What I'd like to show you is how to create your own mockups using a free Fotor account. So what you're going to do is register for an account. You do not have to have a paid subscription. And then I'm going to just go to custom size, I guess. Let's see. Let's go with web. And you can make this whatever size you want. I don't know. Maybe we want to do 2400 by 2400. Okay. And then what you will do is go to Burst by Shopify, which provides us with really nice stock photos that they want us using on Shopify, have given us the permission to for commercial use. And I just type in background. And I mean, there's tons. You can type in wood background. I mean, you know, whatever you want. Let's try this one. And I'm going to add it to the work area. Then I'm going to go to print tech. Let's see, where is, there we go. Let's say we want to make a mock-up for maybe one of those tumblers, right? Or we could do a koozie. That's fine. And I want a black one. Oh, you know what? I don't think this one works. It does. It has to have a transparent background. If you know how to make that transparent, obviously you can do that. All right, let me try this again. There's that tumbler I was looking for. And because it has a transparent background, just download it. Back and add that to your work area. And then the last thing you need is one of your designs. So let me just grab an old design here. I think you guys have seen this one before. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to use that because when you do your when you do a tumbler, it's engraved. So you want to make sure that it's all, the design is in all white or gray because it's not actually going to show up with color. So then you just add that to work area. And then the last thing you're going to do is put your background down. And obviously, like, this is ridiculously large here. You can make a lot. Whoops. You can make your designing area, we'll say, or your template a lot smaller than what I did at 24 by 2400. I'm not sure off the top of my head what the best, I'd have to look it up, but what the best size is for our Shopify and Etsy store mockups. But, you know, obviously we can check into that. And then now I just click this. And my design. See how easy that is? Right? Now, obviously, this is like not exactly the best on brand example here, but you know, you can use any background. You can use any of the mock-up photos that are in print tech with a, you know, a transparent background, and then you just take your original PNG file and add it on top. Everything is just drag and drop, and you just resize by grabbing the corners. And then just hit save. Whoops. And it will ask you to save it. So let me know if you guys have any questions. That is, like, I think, one of the easiest ways to knock out a bunch of your own mockups.